How to fix call screening not working or showing on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Call screening is only available on iPhones with iOS 26. So if you don't already have iOS 26 on your device, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on software update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 26. Now, go back and make sure that the call screening feature is not available in all regions. So tap on General again and then tap on the language and region option you see there and make sure the preferred language is set to English and the region is set to United States or United Kingdom and country as such, as it is not available in all countries. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps and scroll down again and you will see the option for phone. Tap on the phone option and now scroll down to the bottom and you will be able to see the Screen Unknown Colors tab. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix call screening not working or showing on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.